So calling all leather fans, I have a leather case which I've been looking at for a long time, and it is finally here on the channel, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Bullstrap are in the house. I have been looking at Bullstrap for a long time. With Bullstrap being based in America, they're not the easiest case to get in the UK. However, Bullstrap hit me up, we had a good chat, and they said, listen Michael, we want to send you across some of our products to check them out, and I was over the moon. So guys, thank you again for sending these over for review, and let's check these out. So before we get started, what are you looking for in a leather case? Are you looking for colors? Are you looking for full grain leather, vegan leather, metal camera guards, camera control buttons? Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see in a perfect leather case, and we'll see if this ticks the boxes. So this is the Sienna Flex case. So this is a full grain leather which is wrapped around a TPU bumper style case, and it just gives you a really good protection. So let's check it out. So here we are. So here's the packaging then. So cardboard box, and what do we have here? Oh. Enjoy your journey. Scan to register your lifetime warranty. So that's pretty cool. Lifetime warranty from Bullstrap. That's pretty awesome. And here we go. Look at this. Now, I will say, first impressions, this thing feels premium. It feels real premium. Now, I will be honest, brown isn't really my cup of tea. So, you know, I prefer blacks, greys, blues, but I will say this is absolutely stunning, and it feels really good. Oh, smell that! Just that smell of leather. It is just it's just top notch. So if we just take a quick look here, so you can see there's the TPU bumper. So it is kind of similar to the way, if you're familiar with the Nomad leather cases, they have a version of their leather case which has the leather on the back, but then it has the TPU bumper. I kind of like that because the leather that wraps all the way around is very nice and it feels really good. But you know yourself, when you drop your phone, it lands on the corners, it lands on the bumpers, and that's how you end up getting scuffs in your leather and all that kind of stuff. With the back just being covered in leather, it's a bit easier to live with, you know what I mean? So I do prefer that. Remove tag to make it official. Removing this tag, the product is no longer eligible for refund. There we go. It's all mine! So first things first then, let's weigh this case. So weighing in at 51 grams. That's in around where it needs to be and where a lot of the similar cases are. That's pretty good. So on the inside then, like I said, we do have these metal buttons on this TPU bumper, and then we do have on the inside you'll see the buttons are coated as well. So not that it makes much of a difference. Aluminium buttons on a titanium phone isn't really going to make much of a difference, but some people like to have the buttons covered. These buttons are covered. That's what you want to see. And then we have our lovely microfiber lining here and our Magsafe ring. So yeah, really nice. Designed in Boca Raton and assembled in China. And I hope I haven't butchered the pronunciation of that. If I have, deepest apologies. We'll just pop the phone in there. Now, straight out the bat, the one thing I have noticed is the feel of the leather is really smooth. So straight out of the box, once you get full grain leather, it takes a little bit of time for it to sort of absorb the oils from your hands and, you know, get up a bit of grip. But you see, once that does, this is going to get really nice. This is going to age and patina beautifully. Here we are, we have our buttons then. We have our volume up and down and our action button, and then our power button. So if we just test these, clicky, tactile, responsive, perfection. Then of course we've got our cutout then for our camera control. Now you can see here the camera control cutout sort of is molded and swoops down. We have a solid piece here, which is really good, and then the bit that above the button, there's a little bit of flex to it, but it's not bad at all. It really isn't. And if we just double click our camera control is really easy to access, and you can access the haptics there with no issues whatsoever. That's what you want to see. So even if I use like my bigger finger there, we have no problems getting access to that, which is what you want to see. So then we just check out the fitment then. So if we just take the corners and we give it a twist, You can see there, the phone is not moving, so it's not popping out at the corners here. That's what you want to see. Perfection. And then if we just try to remove the case, if we give it a put, my rip. Oh, that is really tight. Yeah, that phone isn't popping out of there very, very easily at all. That's a real good tight fit. That is not coming off. And then if we check out the screen lip then, so we've got a real good bumper there, so it does come up over the display and it is consistent all the way around the display, which is what you want to see. You set that down flat, you've got that lift up protection. Then if we look at the camera guards then, so the lenses don't protrude out, but the leather is molded up all the way up around the camera guard. So you'll do have a little bit of softer protection there. Set that down flat and it's not going to rough up those camera lenses. That's what you want to see. Really, really good. So yeah, like I said, the TPU bumper here is smooth, so there isn't much in the way of grip. If I could give a little bit of feedback, down the side bumpers here, I would maybe like there to be a little bit of a texture, just to allow a little bit more grip on that. Now, as the leather ages, you will get a little bit more grip and a better feel from this because it is very smooth and it is a wee bit slippery, but that will age. The bumpers will always be smooth, you know, so maybe just a little bit of a textured grip here, I think it would make this case really, really top notch. But it's not bad in any way. That's the only thing. If I were to improve it, that's what I would improve. And it is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So we'll just get our trusty Magsafe stand, and first time having Bullstrap on the channel, so I've never tried these before. Yeah, let's hope they're good. Oh yeah, magnet strength there is perfect. That is really good. Great, that's exactly what you want to see. And then we'll just do the charging test then. So if we just put the phone on there. Yeah, no problem there at all. Charging kicks in straight away. No issues. Perfect. That's what you want to see. Final thoughts then. Yes, this is a full grain leather case, and this is a top-notch quality case. I really do like it. Is it 100% perfect? Not quite. There's a couple of little things that I would like to see changed, namely being maybe a little bit more grip on the side bumpers there, but other than that, I don't think you would have a problem with the case that is completely covered in leather, because then you have leather all the way around. But for this case, I would just like a little bit more texture on it. Otherwise, I don't really mind that there's not camera control button on it. It doesn't really bother me that much, but if you do like camera control buttons on your cases, this might not be for you. So I'd be interested to see what you think, so let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I can't knock the quality of the leather here. It is top notch, it really is. And then Bullstrap also offer then a series of Magsafe wallets, which are really good for if you like all your things to match, which I really do. I like a bit of matchy. So we have our Magsafe wallet here, which is in the same color scheme, which sticks on there. Oh, did you see that? So we'll just do that again. Oh, Magsafe animations. I love that. So yeah, so if you like Magsafe wallets and you like your stuff to match, this is really good. This is the popper wallet, and I really like this because not only does it match, but it also has a bottle opener, right? How handy is that? Okay, so how many times have you been to a party and people are going, oh, there's a bottle of whatever, and you don't have anything to open? You don't have a bottle opener handy. You'd be like, hold on, I've got you. And you know what? Let's test it. This isn't product placement, by the way, but Pepsi, if you want to hit me up in the comments. That is so cool. And then just pop it back on your phone. That is awesome. I really like that. I really like that. And then we have their other Magsafe wallet, which has Apple Find My on it as well. So this is really cool. Same color scheme as well. Pop it on. Do we put a little Magsafe chip in this one? No? If you do happen to lose it, you'll be able to track it as well, which is awesome. So again, I'll leave you links in the description down below where you can pick these things up. It's cool to have colour match accessories to match your phone cases. I love all that, so top notch. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look at the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. But until the next one, I'll catch you later.